Turtle Wax Wash and Wax is a dual-action formula that safely lifts dirt and road grime for a finish that's not only streak, scratch, and spot-free, but also protected and shiny. The wash offers exceptional cleaning on every exterior surface, including paint, glass, wheels, and trim, removing both loose and dried-on dirt and grime. With its dual-action properties, your car is also left with a layer of carnauba wax for protection and a glowing high-gloss shine. In addition to its incredible value of 128 washes, you can take advantage of its pleasant, fresh berry scent while you wash. Wash and Wax can also be used on house exteriors, decks, and lawn furniture, and can be used with a pressure washer if desired. Make sure not to use this product in direct sunlight, or if your car's finish is hot to the touch. If a wash with an incredible value, scent, and finish is what you're searching for, then look no further than Turtle Wax Wash and Wax.